Hey guys,
Today I'm going to show you how to get macOS cursors on Windows 10. Let's get started. Before installing the cursor set, we have to check our PC DPI. To do that, open Settings and click on System. Under Scale and Layout, you can see the DPI. Depending to this, we will choose the Mac cursor set. If your scale or the DPI is 100%, download this. If your DPI is 125, 150 or 175%, download this cursor set. Mine is 100%, so I'm going to download this file. After downloading, extract it using WinRAR. Right-click on the install file and click Install. This will install this cursor set to your PC. After installing, open Run. Type Control Mouse and hit OK. Go to Pointers. Click this. If you installed the 100% scale cursor set, here you can see El Capitan cursor set. If you have installed the 125, 150 or 175% scale cursor set, here you can see macOS Sierra, Retina pointers. Select one of these sets, then tick this box. This will apply a shadow under your cursor. Now, hit OK, then click Yes. You can see you have successfully installed the macOS cursor set to your PC. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Until then, have a nice day.